On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make smoked turkey breast on the Traeger. And believe you me, you're going to want to try this one. Alright, so in an effort to become a little healthier, I've been eating a lot more turkey. I don't know if you could tell, but I have been, and my turkey game has been coming up. So the first thing we're going to do is brine this turkey. I got about 1/3 of a bag of our turkey brine here. I'm just going to get that dumped into my little turkey brine bucket and distilled water. So I'm just going to put in about half of it right off the bat and whisk it up. And the great thing about this one, this is a brine you don't have to boil, you don't have to prep, you simply dump it in, throw your meat in, and let it do what it does best. Alright, there we go, right out about half. Now these are some fat turkey breasts. Shout out to my boy Travis Clark for hooking me up. We're just gonna put this little baby in here. Let her go night-night. Now, you can brine as low as 30 minutes, but as high as 4 hours. I'm gonna let this one go about 4 hours. Maximum flavor, maximum results. So we're done with our brine. At this point, I'm just gonna pull my turkey breast out and pat it dry. I'm trying to keep a clean hand here. I always like a clean hand and a dirty hand. Now, you can rinse this off if you want. I personally like the extra flavor. I'm gonna trim that dude right off. So we got some Duke's mayo. Now, I ain't gonna lie to you, I was a little skeptical about this at first, but it really does wonders. You don't have to use too much for the turkey and keeping it moist throughout the cook. Flip it over. Anybody that knows anything about me, Duke's is where it's at. So I'm gonna rub the bottom. We're gonna hit it first with our SPG. And then the garlic jalapeno. Phenomenal rub right here. And you can't forget about the good old Dirty Bird. Pat that in, flip it over, and do it again. Them edges. Always try to get every bit I can. I got the Traeger running at 325. We're gonna put it on there. It's gonna take about probably an hour and 30 minutes. It's kind of windy out here today, but you know, it is what it is. Put that little bird right there, and as you can tell, we already prepared and we got one going for you. Save time. All right, so we put one on earlier, but come in here and check out what the mayo's doing. This hasn't been spritzed at all. It's just been rolling at 325.
That's a freaking boy.
All right, so we're setting about 138 on the one we put on earlier. We got just about, I'm gonna pull it about 162, 163. So we got a few more minutes, so now we wait. So we're gonna pull it off. We're gonna let it rest for about 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes, but you do you. I'm gonna go about 20, 25 minutes somewhere in there. All right, so it's been about 22 minutes actually. So we're gonna pull her out. This thing smells freaking amazing. This thing looks phenomenal. I really don't even want to slice it. I just want to take a picture of it, but we gotta do what we gotta do. Straight juice, son. That's turkey brine at its best right there. Cheers. That's so good. You can really taste that brine inside the meat. It's got a nice medium salty, but it's not over salty. But then the glaze comes in with a little bit of that sweetness and a little bit of that kick. Perfect. Hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you like this video, head on over to cosmosq.com, print it out, make it for your family, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the best smoked turkey. So we already put one all on. All right, so we got one on. Jesus fucking Christ. Am I getting more fucking awkward on camera?